everyone, and hope you're well. Welcome to today's video. So today I'll be doing this makeup tutorial, which is my first full makeup tutorial of the month. I'm so excited for the season, as you know, and it's all about these burnt oranges, berry lips. You know I've got to have glitter on the eyes and a bit of liner. So if you want to see how I created this look, super easy, super quick, with major affordable products, then carry on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off using my PS Primark Amber Passion. I showed this on Instagram the other day and I was like, what does it remind us of? Oh my gosh, this was £3. So let's see what the quality of the shadows are. This is primarily the look that I did the other day, but I really wanted one of those orange colours. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that orange colour, which is called Edge. Oh wow, seems to have a lot of pigment. Let's see, don't know. And I'm just going to go and apply that in my crease. And sort of all over the eye as well. I find that just doing crease colours first just makes things so easy. You don't have to be, you know, clever at it. Do you know what I mean? Just pile that on. I think that's quite nice. And also a little tip if you've got hooded eyes to get the crease, instead of going like that or closing your eye, just keep your eye open and just go straight ahead so you get that crease. With Sunrise, which is this other orangey shade, and I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna go kind of over the lid and just keep kind of building that crease. I just love these shades, don't you? Oh my goodness. Actually, it's quite similar to the Heat palette, but what I like is that it's got some different tones in it. It's not just sort of reddish tones. You've got your gold and browns. So I'm quite liking this so far. I mean, you can't go wrong for £3 though, can you? Right, I'm going to go in, back in with that orange shade, which was Edge, and I'm just going to go over the eyelid. Oh, you know when you use shades, you just want to use all of them. Okay, I'm going to go in with this second sort of brown, which is called Burn. Again, I'm just using the same brush. I'm not, you know, and I'm just going to sort of put that bit more into the crease and the edge. So I'm just keeping it on the outer edge there. Oh, building up nicely. Okay, once I put that on, I'm just literally going to blend everything in and just make sure it is buffed. I like this brush as a pout brush. They don't do pout anymore, but it is so soft. I find the MAC one to be a bit scratchy. Okay, I'm going to take that Burn colour and I'm just going to run it under the eyelash, under the... Then, oh my gosh, I got this pigment. So you know Hourglass have come out with these glittery pigments that look amazing. I really want one. These look pretty similar. I saw them and I was like, oh my god, they're the Pure Double Dimension Eye Pigment. And this one, what is the shade of this one? Ooh, is called, I don't freaking know. I have to have a look, but you can see, look at that pigment. Is that not just gorgeous? Oh my god, I don't even know how I'm going to use this. So I'm going to get some Fix Plus. I'm so excited about it. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? First, I'm going to apply this silver shade, which is called Champagne. all over the inner bit of the lid. Oh my god, that's lovely. Oh wow, these. I'm literally going to just place that. For a £3 eyeshadow palette, like, this ain't bad. Okay, like that a lot. I'm going to go into these corners here with that. Okay, right, now I'm going to take this, shall I take this flat brush? Yeah, okay, I'm going to wet it. Let's see. Max Fix Plus, Max Fix Plus. Ooh, golly, Mac Molly. I'm just going to get some off the lid, actually. And I'm just going to put it on the eyelid. This is lovely. Oh my gosh, you know I love a sparkling eyelid. That is, I don't know, I wonder what it's like without wetting it. They literally like melt into, this is a gorgeous colour. I wonder what it's like if I don't wet the brush. Let's see. Oh my god, it's like, oh, it's really weird. When you tap it in, it's like, come on, it's like spongy. Weird. It's definitely a copy of the Hourglass. Oh my god, it's gonna go all over my face. I mean, you don't really need to wet it. Wetting it gives it that kind of foil effect. Oh my god, you know what this reminds me of? Bare Minerals Beach. That's quite nice. Are we still in focus? I hope so. I wonder what it's like with fingers. Oh god, Shaz. You know, it's not bad. Okay, alright, that's not bad. Why do I always buy the same colours of things? I buy the same colours. I'm going to take this brush and just blend it out a bit. I just buy the same colours over and over. Bear with, bear with. Lashes and going with mascara. Use my NYX pencil in light on the inner rim. Now for lips. I'm going back with an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be using NYX Liquid Suede. And this is in the shade Sandstone, I think. No, Soft Spoken. Sandstone, it's nothing there. Sandstone. Soft Spoken. And MAC lip pencil in Soar. Oh, okay. Quite vampy that, isn't it? But I just love that colour lip. So there we have it. Warm eyes, bit of shimmer on the eyes, liner, really vampy lip. Yeah, so there we go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.